Hey! In front of me is Poco C40 and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this device. First of all, access settings. Now you need to scroll down and click on themes section over here. Then select themes at the bottom left corner and tap on the search bar. Following that, type in wherever you wish to. I will go with Spider-Man. Now click on the best theme for you. I will go with maybe that one. Select free over here. Wait a bit. And tap on apply. Then select got it in this pop-up if you want to. You can choose the other theme, obviously. Wait again. And select home button. As you can see, after that, theme of my Poco has changed. If you wish to go back into your default one, you can always do that by going into theme settings one more time. But this time selecting profile at the bottom right corner. Now click on themes over here, tap on one of those default ones, select apply and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!